Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how mobile phones are assembled, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more.
In modern electronics, balancing component performance with power efficiency is key to optimal design.
Okay, check the voltage levels again.
Alignment accuracy is still fluctuating.
Every device is carefully assembled and tested to ensure reliability and performance.
Every phone is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how mobile phones are assembled decoratively, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.